कंट्रोलर वर्सेस रेस्ट कंट्रोलर का डिफरेंस इंटरव्यूज में पूछा जाता है, बट जनरली कैंडिडेट कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं व्हाइल आंसरिंग द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस टू। तो चलो इसके डिफरेंस को समझते हैं विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम। लेट्स गो टू आवर IntelliJ। ओके, सो व्हेन यू यूज अ कंट्रोलर एनोटेशन इन योर क्लास, व्हिच मींस दैट your methods would be returning a model and view or maybe view. Okay, but in case of REST controller, when you use the annotation REST controller, it means that it might be returning data either in the JSON or XML format, right? So यहाँ पे अगर तुम देखोगे तो मैंने एक कंट्रोलर, एक क्लास बनाया है वेलकम कंट्रोलर, which I have annotated with @controller. Okay, and I have one method called welcome page. Okay, which is actually returning a view. If you see here, I am returning a string called welcome. But internally, Spring will locate for the welcome.html file or maybe the JSP. I mean, whatever the template you are using, right? So I am using the Thymeleaf. So it will look for welcome.html file. So I have defined this welcome.html file inside my resource folder, right? Inside template folder. So internally, this HTML file get rendered when we can say this welcome endpoint will be rendering the welcome.html file. Okay. So let's go to browser quickly, and if I hit the welcome, right, you can see welcome to my Spring Boot page. That HTML is being rendered. Okay, now ये जो मेरा दूसरा endpoint है welcome messages का, okay, if you see here I have used another annotation called response body. Okay, and here also I am returning the string, but the difference between these two endpoint is the first endpoint is returning the view, and the second endpoint, this welcome messages, will be returning this data, okay, called welcome. Basically, this tells Spring to write this string into the HTTP response body. Okay, so if we go to browser, okay, and we hit welcome messages, this welcome message is coming on the browser instead of any HTML pages, right? Now the REST controller is kind of combination of this response body and the controller annotation. Okay, so the @controller and the response body annotation behave same as the @REST controller. If I talk about the use case, @controller annotation we use in MVC architecture. We need to return the model and view or maybe view, and we use @REST controller for building REST APIs or the RESTful web services. I hope the difference between these two is clear to you.